Hi everyone, do you want to send same message 100 or more than number at once on WhatsApp? How to send message at once on WhatsApp? If you want to inform by message more people about exciting offers, upcoming products, events, updates, etc. on WhatsApp, then you can follow my video instructions. In this video I will show you how to send a specific message in more than 100 number at once on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app and select Chats. Click on the three vertical dots or menu found in the upper right corner. Now choose New Broadcast. Then, choose the 100 contacts you want to send messages to. Finally, tap the green tick in the lower right corner. Now write your message and send. WhatsApp allow 256 contacts as broadcast message freely at once. And if you are using both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business app, then you can send 512 message at once using WhatsApp broadcast feature. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.